Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Study channel with Sapna. Today we will see Social Pharmacy D.Pharm first year subject National Health Program in India according to new syllabus PCI. In that we will cover different points, that is the aim or objective of National Health Program, various programs and different important terms which will help to understand this topic in better way. So we will start with the different important terms in detail. First term is a health system. Health system means it promotes, restores and maintains the health. Next term is a communicable disease. Communicable disease means it spread from one person to another person through a variety of ways that include blood, body fluids, breathing in an airborne virus. For example, chikungunya, HIV, mumps, these are the examples of communicable disease. म्हणजे असा डिसीज जो एका पर्सनपासून दुसऱ्या पर्सनपर्यंत ट्रान्सफर होतो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ थ्रू द ब्लड किंवा जे काही बॉडी फ्लुइड्स वगैरे असतात त्याच्या थ्रू किंवा जे काही एअरबॉर्न व्हायरसेस वगैरे असतात त्याच्या थ्रू तो आपल्यापर्यंत ट्रान्सफर होत असतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल चिकनगुनिया, HIV, मम्स हे काय एक्झाम्पल आहे त्याचे कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज. नेक्स्ट इज अ नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज? Non-communicable disease means it is not directly transferred from one person to another. For example, Parkinson's disease, autoimmune disease, CVD, cancer, that is CVD means cardiovascular disease, cancer and diabetes. These are the examples of non-communicable disease. म्हणजे असा डिसीज जो एका पर्सनपासून दुसरीकडे ट्रान्सफर होत नाही. कोणते कोणते एक्झाम्पल्स बघितले आपण? कॅन्सर आहे, कार्डिओवॅस्क्युलर म्हणजे हार्ट रिलेटेड, BP, डायबिटीज हे जे काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे तो जर एखाद्या पर्सनला असेल तो त्याच्या कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये दुसरा पर्सन आला तर त्याला होतो का नाही होत. सो दॅट इज अ नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टंट टर्म इज अ व्हेक्टर बॉर्न डिसीज. डिसीज दॅट रिझल्ट फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शन ट्रान्समिटेड टू ह्युमन अँड अदर ॲनिमल्स बाय ब्लड फीडिंग ऑर्थ्रोपॉड अँड फ्लाईज. ब्लड फीडिंग ऑर्थ्रोपॉड्स मीन्स फॉर एक्झाम्पल मॉस्किटो, बरोबर आहे. So this type of blood feeding arthropods and flies causes different types of vector borne diseases. For example, डेंग्यू, मलेरिया, चिकनगुनिया सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. हे सगळे डिसीजेस कशामुळे होतात? जे काही मॉस्किटोज असतात त्यांच्या वेगवेगळ्या जे काही टाईप्स असतात त्यांच्यामुळे आपल्याला ह्या टाईपचे डिसीजेस हे होत असतात. सो दीज आर द वेक्टर बॉर्न डिसीज. नाव वी विल सी नेक्स्ट टर्म्स. नाव we have understand this all terms, that is a communicable, non-communicable diseases and vector-borne disease. So it is very important to understand the aim or objective of health program. So first aim is to control and to control communicable and non-communicable diseases, and second aim is it help to avoid general preventable diseases. Different types of diseases are there against which we can take prevention and precautions to avoid such type of diseases. These are the preventable diseases. Now we will see various programs. There are different types of programs, that is 11 types of programs are there. First is a National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, that is a NVBDCP, that is a National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Next program is a School Health Program. Third one is a Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Diseases Program. Fourth one, Pilot Program on Prevention and Control of Diabetes, Cancer, CVD and Stroke. Next one is a National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness. Sixth one is a Universal Immunization Program, that is a UIP. Seventh program is a National Cancer Control Program. 8th one, National AIDS Control Program. 9th one is a National Mental Health Control Program. 10th one is a National Iodine Deficiency Disorder, that is a IDD Control Program. And 11th one is a National Program for Control of Blindness. Now we will see all these types of program in detail one by one. First one is a National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, that is a NVBDCP. So Directorate of NVBDCP is a nodal agency for the prevention and control of vector-borne disease. We have already seen what is a vector-borne. म्हणजे जे काही मॉस्किटो किंवा फ्लाईज असतात त्यांच्यापासून जे काही डिसीजेस ट्रान्सफर होतात त्यांना काय म्हणतो आपण? वेक्टर-बॉर्न डिसीज. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मलेरिया, डेंग्यू, lymphatic filariasis, chikungunya, Japanese encephalitis. These are the vector-borne diseases. Now, what is the main aim or objective of such type of NVBDCP, that is a national vector-borne disease? First objective, to decrease dengue fatality, to decrease chikungunya, and to increase the surveillance mechanism. Second type is a school health program. It was introduced in 2018 in Bijapur. It is used to access health, nutrition, hygiene, education to school children. We also have attended different types of school health program in our school life. In that we have given different types of awareness related to health, how to maintain our health, or how to take the different types of nutrition, or how to maintain the hygiene. Different types of hygiene are there: personal hygiene, oral hygiene, menstrual hygiene. How to take different types of precautions, or how to prevent different types of diseases by taking such type of precautions. So it is a main effective tool to control communicable and non-communicable diseases. There are different types of diseases which occur due to the different types of factors, such as if we have not maintained our health, not taken proper nutrition, or we have not maintained personal hygiene, oral hygiene, or menstrual hygiene, then we have to face such type of different types of diseases. So it is very important tool to control such type of diseases. Related education, so it is very helpful to children to prevent against such type of communicable and non-communicable diseases. Now, main aim or objective of such type of diseases: health promotion, management of NCDs, non-communicable diseases, how to manage non-communicable diseases by taking precaution against the such type of risk factors. There are different types of risk factors which are responsible for the non-communicable diseases. If we have given the awareness, or we know how to take precaution, or how to maintain such type of diseases, then we can manage such type of diseases. Next point is a support for diagnosis and cost effective. It gives diagnosis, means due to some awareness we can diagnose such type of disease and we can take early treatment against that. It is very cost effective. Fourth point is a support for development of NCDs and database. There are some database studies of NCDs. Different types of study cases are there which will determine the morbidity rate, mortality rate, and different types of risk factors which are responsible for the such type of diseases. Next type is a prevention and control of non-communicable disease program. We also have seen what is a non-communicable disease. Now we will see different types of diseases of NCDs, that is a non-communicable diseases are diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, strokes, cancers, deafness. These are the examples of non-communicable diseases, or how to prevent such type of diseases, how to control such type of diseases. This program is arranged to know or to give the awareness related to the prevention and control of NCDs. So in detail we will see there are some risk factors which are responsible for such type of NCDs, that is a non-communicable diseases. Some factors are unhealthy diet, second one is the physical inactivity, stress, need of iodine, and intake of tobacco, alcohol. These are the total 5 factors which are responsible for the NCDs, non-communicable diseases. In case of unhealthy diet, different types of diet are there which may include high sugar level, low fiber content, pizza, burger, noodle. These are the low fiber content. Or high in sugar, maybe different types of sweet dishes are there which may include different types of sugars which are very unhealthy for our health. So such type of disease, such type of diet are responsible to cause the non-communicable diseases which may which may increase our weight. It may cause obesity, which may lead to the such type of cardiovascular diseases, heart attack, stroke. This type of diseases may be caused due to the unhealthy diet consumption. Next factor is the physical inactivity. Physical inactivity is a factor in which if we have some type of work, it may be sitting work or no body movement is there. Such type of factor may cause the different type of non-communicable disease. It also increases our or gains our weight. It causes obesity, due to which different types of diseases, BP related, diabetes related, or different problems may we have to face. Next factor is the stress. Stress may be different types of stress, emotional, it may be mental stress, emotional stress. It may cause different types of cardiovascular related diseases, stroke problem. So such type of diseases are caused due to the stress problem also. Next is the need of iodine. Iodine, if we have an iodine deficiency, it may cause different types of diseases which may lead to more complication related to the metabolism, because iodine is responsible for the normal metabolism. Next factor is the intake of tobacco, alcohol. Some persons are alcoholic persons, tobacco alcoholic person, addicted persons, which may leads to different types of factors which are responsible for the non-communicable diseases, and such persons are may lead to the different types of diseases. So to avoid different types of diseases, there are some awareness or education factors which should be given to the people to avoid such type of different non-communicable diseases. Some different types of determinants of NCDs, which are the different determinants of NCDs, or which are the different risk factors which are responsible to cause the non-communicable diseases. Such type of awareness are given to the different people. Now next program is a National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness. It was introduced in 2007. Its objective is to prevent hearing loss due to disease and injury. First, what is a deafness? Deafness means loss of hearing. So to avoid such type of hearing loss due to some type of diseases and injuries, such type of program is arranged at the nationalized level. Second is a early diagnosis and treatment of ear problem. If there are some ear problems which may cause permanent hearing loss or deafness, such type of diseases are diagnosed and treated at early basis. Next is a early or equipment are available in market. Different types of material and training personnel are there, which may give their very important role in case of a deafness. Now other programs are, fifth one is a pilot program for prevention and control of diabetes, cancer and CVD and strokes. Next is a National Cancer Control Program. Different types of cancers are there and related their awareness, education, and how to take prevention or how to motivate that person. So such type of programs are arranged at the National Cancer Control Program. Next is a National AIDS Control Program. In that, National AIDS Control Organization, that is a NACO, NACO, Division of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, provides HIV AIDS control program in India. Such type of institution, that is a organization NACO, it provide awareness related to HIV or AIDS. Program is a universal immunization program. It is denoted as UIP. It is one of the largest public health program. It is targeting 2.6 crore newborn and 2.9 crore pregnant women. It is very cost effective tool. Public health responsible for preventable vaccination under 5. And it provides free of cost vaccination against the 12 vaccines. जे काही प्रिव्हेंटेबल डिसीजचे 12 वॅक्सिन आहेत त्याच्या अगेन्स्ट तुम्हाला फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वॅक्सिनेशन ह्या अवेलेबल होतात. नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम इज अ नॅशनल मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोग्राम. Mental illness person is a vulnerable section of society and lead to a discrimination. Mental illness person should be treated as a normal. जो की mental ill person आहे that should be treated as a normal person. Normal environment should be there for better recovery and rehabilitation. त्याला जर लवकरात लवकर रिकवर करायचं असेल, रिहॅबिलिट करायचं असेल, पुनर्वसन करायचं असेल त्याचं लवकर, दॅट शुड बी ट्रीटेड ॲज अ नॉर्मल पर्सन. त्याला नॉर्मल पर्सनसारखंच ट्रीट करावं लागणार आहे. फुल पार्टिसिपेशन इन सोसायटी. जे काही अराउंडला लोक राहतात, जे काही सोसायटी आहे त्यांच्यामध्ये तो ॲक्टिव्हली पार्टिसिपेट केला पाहिजे, किंवा अराउंडला जे काही लोक आहे, जी काही कम्युनिटी आहे दॅट शुड बी त्याच्यासोबत पण त्यांनी तसंच बिहेव केलं पाहिजे. त्याला नॉर्मल पर्सनसारखंच ट्रीट केलं पाहिजे. सो नेक्स्ट इज अ ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह टू एन्श्युअर अवेबिलिटी अँड ॲक्सेसिबिलिटी ऑफ हेल्थ केअर. जी काही अवेबिलिटी आहे आणि ॲक्सेसिबिलिटी आहे हेल्थ केअरची दॅट शुड बी ॲक्सेसिबल. नेक्स्ट इज अ कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन. जे काही कम्युनिटी आहे दॅट शुड बी त्यांनी पण ॲक्टिव्हली पार्टिसिपेट करू दिलं पाहिजे त्या पर्सनला. नेक्स्ट इज अ नॅशनल आयोडीन डिफिशियन्सी डिसऑर्डर. In that, different types of iodine deficiency disorders are there. First one is a goiter, second is a cretinism, next hypothyroidism, mental retardation, brain damage, abortion, hearing or speech loss, stillbirth, psychomotor disorder. These are the types of iodine deficiency disorders. हे सगळे आयोडीन डिफिशियन्सी डिसऑर्डरचे टाइप्स आहेत. सो इन डिटेल वी विल सी वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट गॉइटर, जे काही आयोडीन डिफिशियन्सी आहे त्याच्यामुळे गॉइटर होतो, बरोबर आहे. क्रिटिनिझम म्हणजे काय? स्टुपिडिटी किंवा मग जे काही आपण मंद म्हणतो, मंद म्हणजे काय? क्रिटिनिझम. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉज ड्यू टू द आयोडीन डिफिशियन्सी. नेक्स्ट इज अ हायपोथायरॉइडिझम. Next, mental retardation. Mental retardation means, what is meant by mental retardation? Incomplete mind development is called as a mental retardation. ब्रेन डॅमेज. ब्रेन डॅमेज मीन्स सेल डॅमेज. जे की ब्रेन असतो, ब्रेनच्या जे की सेल्स वगैरे असतात ते डॅमेज झाल्यामुळे काय होतं, तर पर्सनचे बिहेवियर किंवा फिजिओलॉजिकल काहीतरी डिसॅबिलिटी वगैरे येऊ शकतं. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्रेन डॅमेज. नेक्स्ट इज अ ॲबॉर्शन, मिसकॅरेज होऊ शकतं. हिअरिंग किंवा स्पीच लॉस होऊ शकतो. ऐकायला कमी येऊ शकतो, डीपनेस येऊ शकतो किंवा त्याला बोलता येऊ शकत नाही. स्टील बर्थ मीन्स डेथ ऑर लॉस ऑफ बेबी ड्युरिंग डिलिव्हरी. डिलिव्हरीच्या वेळी बेबी लॉस होऊ शकतो किंवा त्याची डेथ होऊ शकते. दॅट इज अ स्टील बर्थ. सायकोमोटर डिसऑर्डर म्हणजे मूड डिस्टर्बन्सेस किंवा मूड रिलेटेड डिसऑर्डर. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सायकोमोटर डिसऑर्डर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज अ ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह, हाऊ टू कंट्रोल नॅचरल आयोडीन डिफिशियन्सी डिसऑर्डर. सो यूज ऑफ सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर. जे काही ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर आहे दॅट शुड बी अ सेफ, चांगल्या क्वालिटीचं पाहिजे, प्युअर पाहिजे. मेडिटेशन अँड योगा. सेफ मेन्स्ट्रुअल हायजीन, मेन्स्ट्रुअल पिरियड्समध्ये वगैरे तुम्ही व्यवस्थित हायजीन मेंटेन केलं पाहिजे. रिसर्च ऑन हेल्थ, वेलनेस अँड न्यूट्रिशन. जे की हेल्थ, वेलनेस आणि न्यूट्रिशन हे फॅक्टर आहे त्याच्यावरती मॅक्झिमम रिसर्च झाला पाहिजे. टू डिटेक्ट अँड ट्रीट डिसीज इन चिल्ड्रन. जे काही चिल्ड्रन्स वगैरे आहे त्यांच्यामध्ये अर्ली डायग्नोसिस झालं पाहिजे, प्रॉपर डायग्नोसिस झाली पाहिजे आणि ट्रीटमेंट पण व्यवस्थित मिळायला पाहिजे टू अवॉइड द सच कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स ऑफ आयोडीन डिफिशियन्सी डिसऑर्डर. Next is a National Eye Program for Control of Blindness. It is introduced in 1976, 100% centrally sponsored and to reduce the prevalence of blindness. So all we have discussed in detail different types of various programs and aim and objectives of these programs. What are the different aims, objective, what is the need of different types of programs. So in detail we have discussed. Friends, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe and press bell icon for next videos. Thank you.